Ever feel like your car's got more blind spots than your ex's excuses? Today we're checking out a 360-degree dash cam. You have 4 cameras that claim to see everything around your car. Sounds like drone level coverage, but is it legit or just another $59 gadget that ends up in your junk drawer? Buckle up because we're diving into the Sakerplus 4 channel dash cam, and stick around till the end because I'm telling you the real deal, no fluff. Right off the bat, the system tries to solve one of the biggest dashcam headaches: blind spots. Most cheap cams only see forward, but with 4 lenses recording front, rear, left, and right at the same time. This thing theoretically gives full 360-degree coverage around your vehicle. That's like having your mom's eyes in your head but digital. This unit doesn't do Wi-Fi or smartphone playback, so don't expect to pull clips on the go. You have to pop the SD card into a computer or device to watch recordings. That's a bit old school, but it's honest, no app gimmicks here. Now let's talk about what actually matters on the road. 360-degree full coverage, 4 cameras watching all sides including what's beside you, can be huge if you drive in busy cities or narrow lanes. From my experience, regular dash cams leave out the sides, and that's where most hit and runs happen. This setup fills that gap. Night vision. Infrared night capture means you still get footage in low light. It won't make your video look like a Hollywood blockbuster, but it outperforms basic single lens cams I've used, especially inside dark cars at night. G-sensor and loop recording. If someone bumps your car, the built-in G-sensor automatically locks that clip so it isn't overwritten. Loop recording means you never run out of storage. It overwrites old bits as needed. That's the set and forget reliability I like. Here's where it gets honest. Some users online say the camera can act unreliable after a couple of months. Errors like constant format SD card prompts and lack of company support, which is not what you want after an accident. That suggests the build quality and after sales service might be hit or miss. Also, there's no major credible security or scam warnings. It's not a scam in the sense of disappearing money, but it doesn't have big brand reliability or support, so treat it more like a budget dashcam, not a professional feed product. So here's my honest take: if you want 360-degree car coverage on a budget, this Sakerplus system actually delivers where many cheap cams don't. More angles, night vision, and impact locking. For city commutes, taxi drivers, or daily drivers who don't want blind spots, that's a solid peace of mind upgrade. But if you're after top-tier reliability and long-term durability, this isn't going to outshine premium names like Thinkware or Blackview. You might get years of good service, or you might run into tech glitches after a few months. That's just the reality of budget dashcam. So worth it, yes, if you understand it's a good budget choice, not a perfect pro-grade system. Hit like if you learned something today, drop a comment with your own dashcam experience, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more honest tech reviews with a bit of real-world humor. See you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.